Hi, do you get a sense of accomplishment when you complete a project successfully, turning your visions into a reality? Whether that to be a schoolwork or like your career job projects or and other any entrepreneur projects that you might be enduring forward. As a real estate investor, I can assure you that this is one of the most important aspects. When you see your visions turn into a reality, that is a real true sense of satisfaction that you can accomplish. I want to take a moment because to share with you. I just completed the projects and now doing a final inspection before we put it onto the market. So, and along the way, I'm going to introduce you to a few special elements that we introduced in this particular unit. So let me turn the camera around and take you to my journey this